completed.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Wednesday defended the government's decision to let out the ground floor of the commercial complex of Meghalaya House in Kolkata to a Shillong-based private firm. The ground floor of the complex on Russell Street was assigned to Rocky Dhar. The proprietor is the younger brother of Deputy Chief Minister Sneobalang Dhar. Sangma said it is important for the people to do their homework and know the details before asking why the property was allotted. He claimed the property remained unutilized for the last 15 years, resulting in the state government losing out on sizable revenue. Sangma said the government had taken up this matter in 2019 and decided to float a tender to let the property out.
You're talking of loss of crores of revenue for the state government. It's a beautiful asset which should have been tendered out a long time back. But we took up the matter and we decided that we must go ahead with this because I had visited and I saw the halls just lying empty. I saw the tourism counter just being there and not really being that productive. The agriculture counter being there, but there's not much activity going on. And this is in the heart of Kolkata. But the point is that the procedure and the process has been followed, and the highest tender and the person who's given the highest revenue has been given. And more importantly, as I said, it was a huge loss of revenue for us, which we've been having for a long time. And I'm happy that this has been done now. And finally, we are going to start getting some revenue out of this location, which will obviously benefit the state.
The Public Health Engineering Department